Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you home remedies to get rid of rats. So friends, let's start the video. I will share some tricks to get rid of rats. Number 1 is onion. Not just you but even the rats hate the pungent smell of onion. But this hack is a little tricky since onion rot quickly and can be toxic to pet at home. You would need to replace the onion every second day with a fresh one. Number 2 is mixture of plaster of Paris with cocoa powder. All you need to do is to mix dry pop with cocoa or chocolate powder and spread it in the area rats frequent. Once they eat up the mixture, they will run out of your home frantically to drink water and die. Number 3 is hot pepper flax. This is the most inexpensive way to keep the vermins out of your homes. Sprinkling pepper in an age-old way to keep away animals from plants. Spread the pepper along the entryway and other corners and keep the rodents away. Number 4 is garlic. Dye your own anti-mice concoction by mixing chopped garlic with water. You can also leave garlic cloves at the entry point of your home. Number 5 is used tea bags are productive. After using, we generally throw away the tea bags, but little do we know that the used tea bags that enough potential to be reduced in many productive ways. We list out 10 genius ways to reuse this small pack of green antioxidants.